now is on the Edison playing field. This is where most of the people are gathered around now, and they're doing round 3 between Alliance 2, Alliance 3, Alliance 2 being the red team, Alliance 3 being the blue team. Yeah? One of these teams are going to make it into the semi-finals. Round 1 the first being won by the blue team, round 2 by the red team. Both teams looking equally strong.